Join me as I dive into the wild world of snakes and see if I can handle their most disgusting features without freaking out. Snakes are often misunderstood creatures, and today we're going to explore some of the unique features that set them apart from other animals. And I'm warning you, it's not for the faint of heart. People often view snakes as slimy, sneaky, and sinister. And it's true, they do have some characteristics that can be seen as off-putting or even grotesque. For one, their scaly skin can appear dry and lifeless, and their tendency to slither silently can be unsettling. Not to mention, many species are venomous, which doesn't exactly help their public image. Additionally, snakes have a very distinct way of moving, which can be both fascinating and unnerving. They have no legs, but they can still propel themselves forward with incredible speed and agility. And let's not forget about their eyes, unblinking, cold, and calculating. No wonder many people find them so unnerving. But what really gets to people is their eating habits. Snakes are carnivores, and they have a very, let's say, efficient way of consuming their prey. They can swallow their food whole without even chewing it, which can be a bit hard to stomach. And it's not just the way they eat, but also what they eat, from small mammals to birds and even other reptiles. Snakes have several disgusting features that might make your skin crawl, but one of the most fascinating is their shedding process. As they grow, their skin doesn't grow with them, so they have to molt or shed their skin to reveal a brand new layer beneath. It's a process that's both beautiful and gruesome at the same time. Some species of snakes have also evolved some pretty disturbing ways to hunt and kill their prey. The boomslang, for example, has venom that can kill its victims in a matter of minutes, and the African rock python can constrict its prey until it suffocates. It's a reminder that snakes are wild animals, and we should respect their place in the ecosystem. But if I'm being honest, there's one feature that really takes the cake, or should I say, the mouse. Some species of snakes, like the thread snake, have a specialized way of eating their prey. They can open their jaws wide enough to swallow an animal whole. But here's the kicker. They can also eat prey that's up to twice their own body size. That's like me eating a whole turkey in one sitting. Mind blown, right? One species that really stands out is the green anaconda. These massive snakes can grow up to 29 feet long and weigh over 500 pounds, making them one of the largest snakes in the world. But what's really fascinating or disturbing, depending on how you look at it, is their hunting technique. They're constrictors, which means they wrap their bodies around their prey and squeeze until the animal can't breathe anymore. But here's the really gross part. They can then swallow their prey whole, even if it's as large as a deer or a capybara. The green anaconda is a perfect example of how snakes have evolved to thrive in their environment. And it's a reminder that these disgusting features are essential for their survival. Snakes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem, and we should appreciate them for the unique creatures they are. To recap, snakes have some pretty disgusting features that set them apart from other animals, from their scaly skin to their eating habits and hunting techniques. But as unsettling as they may be, these traits are essential for their survival and play a vital role in our ecosystem. So, which disgusting feature did you find the most surprising? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready for more, check out my video on the fascinating adaptations of animals. It's a wild ride.